Hey everyone, finally it's Friday and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got a total of 34 eBay leads, 21 coming from eBay OA and then 13 coming from eBay RA. So all in all, we got 34 leads coming from our eBay alone. So here with Argos, you could buy this deal for 8.80 and sell it for 20.59. Double its price, more than double its price. And then from Argosy, this Calicut deal, you could buy for 20 and sell it for 42 to 51, more than double its price. This Jellicut lemon deal, 15 pounds and sell it for 32 to 37, more than double its price again. And lastly, this 28-pound Jellicut dragon that you could sell for 64 to 65 pounds, almost triple its price. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you guys because we got a lot of options for you. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. Review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check them out. A bot operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out as well because we got a lot of options. Another one is Amazon to eBay wherein you could see all the latest deals that you could get from Amazon to sell to your eBay store. So check them out as well. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and of course share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye everyone!